Good morning, guys. It's like 7 in the morning. Trying to knock out all this wrapping. So I got 2 of those covers done. Still got these switches. Gonna start going on. I don't do this, so this is just winging it, trying to figure it out, watching videos on YouTube. So I'll show you guys the before and after, because I'm not gonna teach any of this because I don't wrap. So I'll show you guys the after the before and after. Alright, let me try to wake up as well. Alright, so far I did these. I'm not sure how to do the inlay or whatever I need to do. I'm just gonna leave that silver. Working on this one, then I got these 2. This wrap is actually really forgiving and easy to work with. Purchased this also on Temu, and it works great with the heat gun. Stretches nice, cuts well. Good stuff. So I'm not sure if I'm supposed to, but I've been using alcohol, clean it, get all the dirt off, and then it actually grips really good. So works out good. But little update, we're getting there. So I do the center console too, so try to knock this all out today. Alright, I'm no professional rapper, but I'm very proud of what I did. So I think it came out pretty damn well. So now I decided to go grab the center console and put it in. And I was gonna put it all the way through. Alright, I need to charge my camera. Before I was gonna go all the way through and keep it all wood grain inside, but I do like the silver accents. It does pop. If anything, I can overlay with some black or whatever. But I'm digging it. Came out good. So I'm gonna go take out the center console and bring it in the house and finish that up as well. But not bad. Alright, so I took out the center console. Gonna have to figure out how I'm gonna wrap around here. Don't want to remove the eclipse vents. I don't want to mess it up. So I'll probably just cut a circle and then press around here like that. I'm gonna try to wrap all the way through here, back here, and then this black here, I have that another wrap that's black sparkle to it. I'm gonna wrap this here, probably put one here. I don't know how to do this part. I think I might need to eventually get that knifeless tape, put it in here, so when I wrap over that, I can cut it out and not mess these up, because I don't want to cover these. But yeah, so I'm just gonna wrap this section here and maybe here. I don't know yet. We'll see. Maybe I'll just leave that how it is. But so far that'll be the plan. So I'll get started. Alright, so far that's it. I'm gonna have to do like an inlay, but I don't have knifeless tape, so I just slid around like that. There will be silver showing. But for now, that's what it's gonna look like. So we got that and that. So we're getting there. One more side, and I'll start doing the black part. Alright. Got it done. Same thing. Knifeless tape to actually put something in there. Was trying to play with this, but this is just a great fun wrap. So if you heat it up, it wrinkles and gets damaged. So if I use this to put on the face here, it has to be a perfect cut and then just laid right on and sits. So maybe I'll do something, I'm not sure. But if I just leave it black, it does give it the OEM Lexus look. So I gotta get the center for the shifter steel out and wrap that, and then I'm pretty much done. And then maybe I'll be able to put these in today. We'll see. But yeah, I'm very happy. Good product from Temu. Is there even a brand on here? I don't see anything, but yeah, works great. So let me go get the center bezel out. Alright, so I got this piece off. I'm gonna finally swap in this center console instead, because it has all the old school points. I'm gonna plug it in, but the illumination switch is not going to be hooked up because I'm not sure where I'm supposed to connect these wires to power it. I have the switch, I know negative, positive, have all these, but I'm not sure because I'm still waiting for underglow lights to come in here, and I want everything to be able to be plug and play. So I'm just gonna hook up the basic stuff, and I freaking broke my aux when I freaking pulled it out. Luckily I had an extra one. So this one will be going in here. We'll be wrapping this one here. Just gotta wipe and clean everything down, so I'm gonna bring these in the house and clean these. Finally put this in. And then I gotta get this armrest out because I'm gonna give that to Benny, and I'm gonna be using the aftermarket leather one with the USB ports because I need the USB ports to go to the back table to power the lights. But yeah, we're getting here, so finally making it happen. I just gonna have to do the doors, and I'm not excited to do that. But alright, let me get this started before the day's up. So I was gonna wrap this as well. I popped this off and realized I ain't got no fucking speakers in there. So I got those, but where the fuck did these go? The fuck? So now I need speakers. Son of a bitch. So there's one in there. I believe those are what, tweeters, highs? And I just purchased some too, so we're good. So at least I'll swap those new ones in. What the fuck, man? Crazy. Here, let me bring these all in. Alright, all done. Got these, this, and then the speakers I did just the top, just to have a little, make it pop, I guess. And then the center bezel where the shifter goes. So we are done. Time to go install this. Whew. Nice. Ah, damn, opened the package already, but got some stuff that came in. I actually needed this tool, so perfect, came with that. I got the side mirror blinkers for the side mirrors that I have, but I believe they are the wrong size. Dang. So these are for a Corolla, and I might have to order the other ones. I'll have to test with these, but we'll see. And then I actually been wanting this for some time. It's chrome trimming for the windshield wiper. Everyone does the wiper delete. I do not because I like it. So I'll have to throw this on. It's just a 3M. I'll put better 3M in the back and put it on. So we're good. But yeah, let me install this stuff back. Get it going. Well, got it in. Gonna have to pop that back out because I gotta take the door panels. But there is some lifting, so I'm gonna have to go back through and figure out how to stop it. Some lifting in the back, but not bad. That's what it looks like. And then the little accents on the speaker. So these side mirrors may not fit. I think they're too small. And then the chrome back cover for the windshield wiper, wrong car. Hopefully I can return these, so we'll see about that. Gonna have to order some other ones. Damn, that sucks. But yeah, let me get these door panels now. Try to knock it all out. Alright, here we go. And then, yeah, alright. Getting tired. Got the door off, swapping out these buttons. This button was actually going bad. Swapped it out with the new one. Put this on. And we'll have the first one done. Well, all done. So let's tell me what you think. There you have accents in the back, front, side. Do right there on the speakers. And I'm happy with how it came out. I mean, it's not perfect, but for first time really trying to wrap, I'm happy. I mean, you can see the little flaws in here. I mean, for not knowing what I'm doing, and I didn't even search how to do it, I just kind of winged it, and I'm quite happy. So, I mean, I'm rocking with it. So here we go. These parts I'll probably end up having to put online or see if I can return them. These will go on Facebook Market, extra ones, so people need them. There you go. So these. So, oh, tired. What time is it? It is 1:34. I've been doing this since 7 a.m. Let's check the window shit. Okay, that works. That one works. That one works. And the back one is working. But this is... Okay, let me try this one. Because this is where my wife would always have trouble. Like, it was very... much better. Yep, she's good now. Alright, cool. Everything is done. And we'll call it a day, guys. So thanks for rocking me. I'm going to probably work on this one today. I really need to do this because it's lifting. I'm going to pull that off and then I'll do something with that. But yeah, I'm quite happy. This is what I visioned for the interior wise to match with the steering wheel. And I made it happen. So the only thing is I didn't do that just because the cover. Eventually we'll do the Celica shifter, but I would like to go stick with this one day, so that's really not a big deal for me. But yeah, so we're good. So far we're... I gotta do this. I gotta pull these off because I want to put the leather fabric I have for this on there. But we're getting there, guys. So see you guys in the next one. Thanks for rocking with me. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, and because I know it's like it's dropping. You know, some of you guys are now subscribing, but it's like 70-something% of people are watching the channel but not subscribe. And like I said, I would like to do some more drift content, but need more people to watch the video, subscribe, so I can start, you know, making some income off of YouTube, so I can use the money towards more horsepower. So until then, can't do nothing with the drift car until I get some money, because this is affordable. The VIP XB on a budget is affordable for me until we start doing the turbo upgrade, of course, bigger turbo, up top mount, with bigger intercooler. My goal is 700 horses in that RB, and I want to do some road racing. I want to be able to do some pulls at 60. So I mean, if the car can drive fast, it can slide fast. So I'm not worried about suspension wise or anything. It's all been done. It's ready to go. I just need the power. Need to fix the fuel issue, the battery. Need to put in the roll cage. So want to get everything situated, but like I said, can't do nothing until I get subscribers or people liking and subscribing instead of just watching it and doing nothing. So please help out, guys. Let's make this happen so we can start sliding and start gapping these LS boys. So if you guys want to see that, dude, I'll go hunt down. I'll go all the way to south, go to LA, and we'll just go hunting. Go to the Bay Area and go hunting. But it's not going to happen until we get the video or get people started subscribing and making things move. So all right, y'all, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. I'm gonna go rest too.